Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to bring black and white photos back to life by colorizing them into full color images using Gemini, quickly and completely free. This is the photo I have right here. As you can see, it's an old black and white image, and it also has scratches, grain, and age marks on it. Now let's transform it step by step. First, copy or upload your black and white image into Gemini. Next, paste in the magic colorization prompt that I've provided in the description. Then make sure to select Create Images. After that, choose the colorization mode and send the request. Now give Gemini a few moments to process it. And there you have it. The image is now restored in full color, with realistic tones and much more life compared to the original black and white version. This works great for family memories, old album photos, historical pictures, and vintage portraits. So if you have old black and white photos sitting in your gallery or family albums, this is a great way to make them feel alive again. Just use the prompt from the description, try it on your own photos, and let me know how your results turn out. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more AI tools, prompts, and tutorials.